General. All you need is one of these, or one of these, and of course, one of these. Next, you go to thegeneral.com. The General's monthly payments are low. You choose your payment due date and download your proof of insurance immediately. Or get a digital ID card on your smartphone.
Get an anonymous online quote now. For a great low rate you can get online, go to the General and save some time. The difference between fish in the ocean and fish on a sandwich is that when ocean fish swim in pairs, they're less likely to get eaten. Arby's, we have the meat.
They say life gets better the older you get, and time.
Yeah, hold up. I'm just getting a proof right now.